Every single day, without you even thinking about it, your body runs one of the most incredible assembly lines in nature. It takes the sandwich you had for lunch, bread, cheese, maybe some lettuce, and transforms it into energy, building blocks, and fuel for everything you do. That's your digestive system at work. Let's take a journey through it, from first bite to final exit. Digestion starts the moment food enters your mouth. Your teeth get to work first, grinding and crushing food through a process called mechanical digestion. But your mouth has a secret weapon: saliva. Saliva contains an enzyme called amylase, which starts breaking down starches chemically, even before you swallow. Your tongue then rolls everything into a neat, moist ball called a bolus. Think of it as your mouth packaging the food for its long journey ahead. Once you swallow, the bolus enters the esophagus, a muscular tube about 10 inches long. Here, wave-like muscle contractions called peristalsis squeeze the food downward, almost like squeezing toothpaste from a tube. But first, a small flap called the epiglottis flips shut to make sure food goes down the right pipe. Your esophagus, not your windpipe. Smart design! Next stop, the stomach, your body's very own washing machine. This muscular sac churns and squeezes food while flooding it with powerful gastric juices containing hydrochloric acid and an enzyme called pepsin, which begins breaking down proteins. The acid is so strong it could irritate the stomach itself, but a thick layer of mucus lines the walls to keep it safe. After 2 to 4 hours of this churning, your food has been transformed into a soupy mixture called chyme, ready to move on. Before we enter the small intestine, we need to meet 3 essential helpers. The liver produces a greenish fluid called bile, which breaks fat into tiny droplets, a process called emulsification. Bile is stored in the gallbladder and released when needed. Meanwhile, the pancreas acts like a chemical factory, pumping out digestive enzymes to break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, plus bicarbonate to neutralize the acid from the stomach. Both bile and enzymes flow into the small intestine. Now we reach the real powerhouse of digestion, the small intestine. Don't let the name fool you. This organ is about 20 feet long. It has 3 sections: the duodenum, where most chemical digestion is completed, the jejunum, and the ileum. As chyme moves slowly through this long, coiled tube, digestive enzymes continue breaking nutrients down into their simplest forms: sugars, amino acids, and fatty acids, making them small enough to actually enter your body. But how exactly does that happen? This is where things get truly amazing. The inner walls of the small intestine are lined with millions of tiny, finger-like projections called villi. Villi are like a massive crowd of tiny fingers, waving and reaching out to catch passing nutrients. Together, they create a surface area roughly the size of a tennis court, all folded inside your abdomen. Nutrients pass through the villi walls directly into surrounding capillaries and enter your bloodstream, fueling every cell in your body. Whatever the small intestine can't absorb moves into the large intestine, about 5 feet long and much wider. Here, your body reclaims water and electrolytes from the remaining material, and trillions of beneficial bacteria help process what's left, even producing some vitamins like vitamin K. The leftover material gradually forms solid waste. That waste moves into the rectum, where it's stored until your body is ready to eliminate it. And that's the end of the line. So, there you have it. Food's incredible 30-foot journey through your body. Here are a few parting facts to chew on. Your stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve certain metals. You produce about 1.7 liters of saliva every single day. And peristalsis is so powerful, you could actually digest food upside down. Your digestive system is extraordinary, and it's working hard for you right now.